Ba-da-bum, ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-da. All of a sudden, there was a notification up on my phone saying that food was delivered. I was like, huh? So I guess I have some food now. Whew. Hello, what's on the menu? So surprisingly, not surprisingly, I ordered a certain sandwich. Sandwich? Similar to a sandwich. Some might call it a transportation. Some might swear their life on it. Who knows? I thought I ordered. I can't even finish like the half size, like the 6-inch subs usually, but it seems that I didn't read the menu properly. I accidentally ordered a foot-long Subway. I don't know. I don't know if I can finish this.